oversized lit characters. These are the best characters. They are brand new today, and you're seeing them for the first time. $79.98. QVC's price is almost $20 more than that. And you're getting this price, even though they're brand new today, that you're getting a sale price that saves you almost $20. Plus, speaking of $20, it's 4 monthly payments of $20 on your credit card, whatever credit card you use. And these, you gotta tell me, oh, first of all, we have the snowman,
right,
the gingerbread man,
hello,
Wimbley the reindeer, and then the penguin.
Right.
Tell me about these.
Okay, so this is such a passion of mine. I decorate with these oversized lit pieces every year. And so bringing our characters to life, these characters have been a part of the QVC family for over 10 years. The fact that now we're able to bring them to life and they're lit, which is beautiful. I know we're gonna take the lights down. Look at Penny. So she has the pink little cheeks. She's got the pops of the lights around her scarf. But these are all resin. They're all beautifully done. They take 2C batteries, and there's a casing on the bottom that'll protect it when you're putting it outside. Here's Wimbley. Of course, they each stand about 22 inches. 200 only of Wimbley, then he's gone. Look at his little sash, his little scarf all the way around.
I want to get 4 of those,
right?
Just for my grandkids.
They're adorable with the little cardinal. Then, of course, Gumdrop, our gingerbread, always super popular. Arms outstretched, ready for a big hug. Look at the cute little mittens there. And Mary Beth, all of the detail, everything that you've come to expect all the way around. And then last but not least, he happens to be my favorite. There is our snowman. He's holding the little Christmas tree, the cardinal in honor of my dad on his top hat, and they're all lit. They have a 6-hour timer, over 570 hours worth of glow time.
Amazing.
When you use the timer.
By the way, just to remind you, these weigh about 8 to 9 pounds each. So that's the best part about them being indoors or outdoors. The dog, the kids, it's not like the wind is gonna knock it over easily at all. So,
and you're getting the first look at these. They'll be back tonight with David.
At 9 p.m. Eastern time. You are fantastic.
Oh, you are fantastic.
So
I'm going to bring
fun.
Penny in too.
Oh, I love that. That sounds good. In the meantime, stay tuned. If you missed anything in this hour, you can go back to QVC.com. And there's also, tomorrow is Friday. Well, it's going to be a Black Friday in July. I don't know if we've ever done that before, but anyway, we have a lot of great tech sales. One other thought, too, I just want to mention is a full hour